options tender. It is Wednesday. Made it to Wednesday already. Wednesday, 2/10/21. Welcome everybody. Welcome traders. If you are new here, please hit that like button, subscribe. This information is given out every morning, every evening, and on the weekend. If you want to hear these videos all the time, get the notification, hit that bell. I want to leave it on the screen here. We have a lot to go through. I say this all the time, but I'm going to try to fit this one underneath 10 minutes because it's a lot of important information, and then we'll have some trade ideas at the end while we're waiting for this pullback. So I constantly am looking for this pullback because volatility is not letting go. The bonds are standing still. They're primed, ready to go. There's a lot of things pointing at that towards a pullback, but in the meantime, the ES and the NASDAQ and the small and the Russell, they all just keep zooming to the upside. Anyway, here we go. Let's get started. On the monthly time frame, look at that monthly candle. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything's bullish on this. Looking it up and down on the weekly. Same thing. Getting some follow through. Pushing through this somewhat resistance here. Everything's bullish. All of the MAs are headed to the upside. We have the MACD bouncing up. Let's go over to the daily. Trend is our friend. Still working on that wave 5, giving us all sorts of signals to reverse, but we're constantly getting follow through. Bullish, 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 bullish. Going to set another bearish divergence here unless we continue and pop above and make a higher high. That would be burning divergence. Burning through the divergence. That seems like a very likely situation now. On the 65, getting down to the nitty gritty. 65-minute chart. Last night I was showing somebody what I thought the bullish scenario was right here. So here we are on our 5-wave count. Just you can't even count the waves in here. It's just truncated. I've mentioned that in the videos in the past. Truncated wave 5. It could just continue on forever. You just can't count them. So we're still on wave 5. We're waiting for a reversal. Just a pullback at least. That's all we're asking for at least now. But what might happen is this zigzag down here to the options expected move. And if it happens fast enough, in one day, in my opinion, that could just be the first, maybe a bounce, and then we move back down much further. And by much further, nobody knows. Once it gets past the expected move, it can accelerate, and it can accelerate all the way down to these fuchsia lines here. Down here in the 36.26 zone, and possibly I have a secondary one down here at the 35.87. It could do that all in one day if it wanted to after a move like this. Okay, and the only real way we're gonna know that I guess mini crash is or correction. I don't want to say crash. After that correction is over, is a nice, beautiful long wick. So just in case that does happen, I want you to know that the world's not going to end. It's not going to be another coronavirus. That was a crash. You'll see a nice long wick, and that's how you'll know it's over. Once you see things going hard, don't just start throwing in calls until you see a really good sign that it's over, okay? Unless you're just speculating with a small amount. So that's it for the ES. I just want to show over to the couple trade ideas while the ES is. Also, I just want to mention, we may be in some sort of holding pattern. I know it's not very much holding. It's just kind of drifting to the upside, but maybe it's the CPI this morning at 8:30. Maybe it's the jobs number tomorrow morning that it doesn't like. Whatever this market's going to do, it's doing overnight mostly. So it's kind of ripping apart our short-term our puts, we'll have to cover them in the morning, re-put them on, you know, those kind of things. But it's going to happen overnight. It's not just going to say, here we are, guys, just follow us down. It's probably going to move overnight on you. And so that's why we keep putting these on. Yeah, so the only thing that's been saving me is scalping day trades on some of these trade ideas. So here they go. abnb. abnb, really good look to it. Possibly head right back to about the 210 area with the options expected move. Moving quickly. Fubo. I'm just waiting for this one to explode. Maybe this is the time. But conservatively, up to the 55 area. fsly. fsly as well. If you want to be conservative, it's still a nice move. 122 area is the expected move. Zoom. Zoom still has a lot of room. Moving on. Let's see here, to the 447 area would be the expected move. It is at a resistance right here with the, so just do be careful if you get into this one. Know that there's a gap right there. And last one, snow. We've been following snow. I think snow could go back up to its expected move at 326 area. So, okay, thank you. Good luck trading today. We kept this one down under 7 minutes, all right? So hit that like button. Thanks. Talk to you soon.